zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome back to Progress 3 of our Thermaltake Case Mod Invitational build for 2016. We are building a Star Wars TIE Fighter Advance, and as you can see here, we are joining 2 of the 4 quarters together to make half of the sphere. So we are just using some leftover bog, and we are just mixing the hardener with the bog itself just to make sure that it dries nicely. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to pat it down in the groove, in that gap there, just to make sure that we have a nice grip between the 2 sections, because we just don't want this to fall apart, especially if there is a computer inside. So guys, remember to check out the link down below for our forum thread and check out our build. It really helps us out. Any views, any comments that you want to leave, you can leave them down below on the video, and if you want to leave a comment down below on our forum thread, that really helps us out as well. Right now we're just sanding back what we had just applied and making that nice and smooth, and as you can see, painting myself once again with all that dust. And here's the final result. At the 2 sides we still have to add a bit more bog just to make it a bit more round, and here you can see are our professional diagram that we're going to be building off. I've measured to scale all the different lengths that I need to cut out. Now this is aluminium, and we are lucky enough to have access to an aluminium welder, so we are going to be using aluminium to keep it nice and light. Right here, just clamping it all down and then using our hand saw to cut out the pieces that we need. Now there is lots of cutting involved. I've made the whole framework from this, but I'm only going to show you a bit because obviously you don't want a whole video on just cutting. As you can see, filing down there, making sure that it's all nice and smooth because we don't want anything cut. Need to keep it nice and safe. Cutting this side tab out because we want to make some slots just so the aluminium can slot in, and then I can make a nice easy weld on it. So remove that side tab there to make for an easy slotting position for the other aluminium channel, and we're just filing that down just to get rid of all those bumps. And now we're just going to go in there with our sanding disc and make that nice and smooth, nice and polished up for a perfect finish. And here we are assembling what we had cut out today. Obviously I can't show you all of that, guys, because that would probably make for a boring video, but this is the wings that we are working on. Well, not the wings, but the side parts that come off the ball to hold the wings in place. So we just have a tiny bit more cutting for those top sections, and they will fit nice and flat with the other sections. As you can see here, I'll give you a quick top view of what it looks like, and this is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to visit the forum thread, leave a comment down below, tell us what you like about this build, and we'll see you in the next one. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching, guys. Your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.